2019 Toyota Avalon Hybrid Review. The new Avalon Hybrid combines efficiency with near luxury accommodations. SUVs have already been dominating the marketplace recently, to this point that Ford recently announced it absolutely was going to largely give up making sedans. But there is an area where the tradition of Ford holds a benefit: hybrid efficiency. The latest hybrid sedans are posting truly impressive fuel economy, as well as a great example could be the fully redesigned 2019 Toyota Avalon Hybrid. The Avalon Hybrid debuts alongside the conventionally powered Avalon and is particularly estimated because of the EPA to send back up to 44 miles per gallon in combined driving. That's almost 70% superior to the gasoline in the Avalon. However, the hybrid costs approximately $1,000 more. With what you'll save on gas, you might very well recoup that added cost in mere over a year and then reap the rewards thereafter. From when driving, the hybrid's power deficit just isn't as much of a penalty as being the numbers suggest, rendering it our pick inside Avalon lineup. The 2019 Avalon Hybrid won't force sacrifices elsewhere either. The hybrid batteries are mounted within the rear seats, maintaining precisely the same trunk capacity since the conventional Avalon, whilst the flat folding rear seat backs for greater versatility. Both offer high quantities of comfort and several features and blur the cloths line between Toyota as well as Lexus luxury brand. If in the marketplace for a substantial sedan, the 2019 Toyota Avalon Hybrid ought to be among your top picks regardless of whether you're looking for a hybrid. What's new? The Toyota Avalon Hybrid may be completely redesigned for 2019. The 2019 Toyota Avalon in limited trim should fulfill a typical large sedan buyer. It forgoes the sporty touches in the XSE model for more luxurious like luxurious refinement. It's also the only real trim qualified for rear parking sensors with cross-traffic braking as well as a surround view camera. Trim levels and features. The all-new 2019 Toyota Avalon Hybrid is classified to be a mid-size sedan from the EPA, but we think it over more of a full-size sedan. It is accessible in XLE, Limited and XSE trims. Power hails from a 2.5-litre four-cylinder engine that's supported by two electric motors. The combined creation of 215 horsepower is channeled by using a continuously variable automatic transmission to push the front wheels. Standard features to the base XLE include 17-inch alloy wheels, automatic LED headlights, heated mirrors, keyless entry and ignition, dual-zone automatic climate control, heated and power-adjustable front seats, simulated leather upholstery, 6040 split-folding rear seats as well as an auto-dimming rear-view mirror. On the technology front, the XLE includes Bluetooth, a Wi-Fi hotspot, Toyota's Safety Connect communications, a 9-inch touch screen, a rear-view camera, Toyota's in-tune infotainment system with smartphone-based navigation, 4 USB ports, Apple CarPlay, along with an 8-speaker speakers with satellite and HD radio. Also included is Toyota's Safety Sense suite of advanced precautionary features: forward collision warning with automatic braking, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams and adaptive cruise control, as well being a blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert. The limited trim adds 18-inch wheels, upgraded exterior lighting, a sunroof, a head-up display, leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, driver seat memory settings, heated rear seats, a heated tire, wood interior trim, ambient interior lighting, an invisible charging pad, a built-in navigation system along with a 14-speaker premium JBL sound system. The sporty XSE trim builds for the XLE's features with 18-inch wheels, piano black exterior treatments, a rear spoiler, a sunroof, paddle shifters, aluminium pedal covers, aluminium interior trim and micro-seat inserts. Some of features within the Limited are available about the other trims as options. An advanced safety package which has a surround view parking camera system and rear parking sensors with automatic braking is optional around the Limited. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically will come in multiple versions which are fundamentally similar. The S within this review derived from our first drive from the 2019 Toyota Avalon Hybrid 2.5 litres inline 4 hybrid, CVT automatic, FWD. Driving. The Avalon Hybrid has plenty of power to get approximately highway speeds without labouring. And as big sedans go, or big hybrid sedans, for instance, the Avalon is respectably button-down when driving around turns. Comfort. Both the suspension and also the seats are created with security in mind. Ruts and bumps are smoothed over well, and also the cabin remains pleasantly quiet about the highway. The front seats are pleasantly comfortable, with little side bolstering for quick entry and exit. Interior. The cockpit will attract and fitted with high-quality materials, however the blocky center stack looks a little misplaced. But the sunroof that may be standard on basically the base Avalon does cut into headroom. Technology. Apple CarPlay finally causes it to be into a Toyota using this Avalon. Unfortunately, Android Auto continues to be absent as well as the built-in infotainment system remains as one on the least intuitive from the industry. On the upside, the Avalon Hybrid has lots of standard driver safety aids.